Here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 here, and I'm going to do a quick demo on the Super Steady feature. Basically, it's like a super stabilization. And how you access that is you have to be, it only works in video mode, obviously. It doesn't work on the front side video, only the back side video. Now, in order to enable Super Steady, it's this icon right here with the hand. Simply tap on that. Okay, now in 1 second, I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna do a quick test run, but let me also show you this too. Let me give you like an idea how this Super Steady works, okay? So basically what they do is they kind of crop the image so everything is perfectly smooth. So for instance, right now I'm at 1x here, okay? I am using the wide angle, not the ultra wide, okay? Now when I put on the Steadicam, now look at the picture here. When I put on Steadicam, it goes out a little more. And the thing is, it's not as much as the ultra wide. It's like between the ultra wide and the wide. So let me go back and turn it off. And then let me just put it to the max ultra wide here, which is 0.5 here. Now, once I turn the Super Steady on, it's gonna go down a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and take this for a spin and let me show you how awesome this Super Steady really is. So I have Super Steady off right now, and what I'm gonna do is run to the shaded area, and then once I turn around, I'm gonna flip this phone to show my face and run back, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. Ready? Go. Now I'm gonna turn around the phone. Now I'm gonna run back. And now let me go ahead and put the Super Steady on. All right, Super Steady is on. Let's go. Shaded area. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the phone. Show my face as I'm running here. It is on. Let's go. Shaded area. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the phone. Turn around the phone. Show my face. Now I'm gonna run around here. Well, there you guys go. And now let me go ahead and let me know if you see a big difference on. Thanks for watching, guys. That was my workout for today. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, thanks. Bye.